Hi, it's Justin. I want to invite you to something quite special that I created last September. I was talking with clients and people in my network about building a community of business leaders. It was after the book Coaching Leaders launched, and I was getting a lot of interest in the book and the materials and the programs that we run. But beyond just the work I do with clients, we thought actually there's a real gap in the space of leadership development and bringing together a community of leaders where they can regularly meet and talk about what's happening in their businesses, start to think about how do they change and adapt their approach to leadership. So they move from management, and my definition is always management is about tasks and activities. Leadership is about people, vision, strategy in your business. And we really have to lean into leadership. It's quite an art and science. But we've started to run these weekly workshops and they've been quite successful. We get anywhere between kind of 14 and 20 people join us each week. And that's the reason that I recorded this video. It's the reason we send the emails, is to cultivate an opportunity for our community to come together and really press the pause button on the day-to-day tasks and activities, slow things down and start to think about leadership development, because it's an area that very often gets overlooked. 65% of leaders don't get access to leadership development. And in my opinion, that's a crime, having been in multiple leadership roles and recognize the difference and the impact that leadership development has. So this video is to complement the email and the messaging that we send out, just to say, if you would like to join us for one of our weekly workshops, please feel free. The link to register will either be in this email or in the post, if this is on LinkedIn that you're looking at it right now. And we're trying to do 5 things as we bring together our leaders. We're really trying to create a community for leaders that really works and helps them to find other people who are going through the same things that they're going through. We want to help with collaboration so that you can start to understand what are other people doing, how's that working for them. You can share your ideas and you get ideas through just that conversation. So we create the opportunity for a conversation each week. We think about challenge to your ideas, giving you new ideas, new perspectives. We think about helping you to make a commitment to drive change, and of course creating a confidential environment where you can talk about things that perhaps are a little personally or commercially sensitive. So we're really trying to foster this community that helps people, get leaders in particular, to get the support that they need. And you're welcome to join the session. Just click on the registration link and you'll be made to feel very welcome. We run breakout rooms, so it's interactive. You're not just sitting there for 50 minutes listening to somebody talk. You're having the chance to explain your own ideas, your own situation. So it's a really incredible opportunity that we put together each week. So if you'd like to join us, hit the registration link and I look forward to meeting you on one of our sessions.